Hi, I'm Pedro Diaz with Vivid Clear Glass, and I'm going to show you here how to remove basic scratches. Now, what we consider basic scratches are any scratches 3/1000ths of an inch or less. Now, what are you going to need to remove these scratches? Well, you're going to need a polisher. We recommend something of 6 amps or greater. That's going to give you the option to work the scratches with a little more force, helping the scratches go away a little sooner. Now, this obviously comes with a handle here. This helps you manipulate the pad a little easier. And for the basic scratches, we only need to use some compound. With this compound, we're using particle sizes that are between 2 and 3 microns. Just with a couple dabs of a couple drops of this compound on the pad will be enough to remove these finer scratches underneath 3/1000ths of an inch. Let me just show you here the pad. This is a foam pad, which is 3 inches. Comes with a backer, this is the pad that actually goes onto the polisher. Just put this on here, spins right on, pad goes on, and we just use the compound, pop it up, a little bit of compound, and we just start polishing away. As we're polishing, we're gonna use some water to keep the area wet. It's gonna be, we don't want to run this dry, we want to keep it wet, so we run a little bit of water on there, not too much. And that, after some time polishing there, maybe about 5 or 10 minutes, scratches should all go away. Hi, I'm Pedro Diaz from Vivid Clear Glass, and if you want more tips, like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram.